Good morning. Last lecture we studied the concentrates. Concentrates are the that feeds which containing less than 18% crude fibers and more than 60% total digestible nutrients. Concentrates are the feed or feed mixtures which provides the primary nutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins and fats in higher proportions. Concentrates are the less bulky materials or feeds. So on the basis of the crude protein contents, these concentrates are again classified into two: energy rich concentrates and protein rich concentrates. So energy rich concentrates, the protein contains is less than 18% and protein rich concentrates, the protein contains is more than 18%. Last lecture we discussed about the energy rich concentrates. Now we discuss about the protein rich concentrates. Protein is one of the most critical nutrients, particularly for young animals, rapidly growing animals and high producing animals. Protein is required for body building muscles. So the ingredients that contains more than 18% of their total weight in crude proteins are generally classified as protein feeds. Protein feeds or supplements may be further classified according to the source of origin. The source of origin is the plant origin proteins, and second, animal origin proteins. So in the plant origin proteins is also called as vegetable protein concentrates. They contain insufficient quantity of essential amino acids. Therefore, they are unable to fulfill protein needs of body. These are the low quantity or poor quality as compared to the animal origins. They includes in the protein, this includes the oil seeds meals, pulse tuning and brewers, grains and yeast. So in the example of the plant origin is the oil seed meals, oil seed cakes, pulsing and brewers, grains and yeast. So in the oil seed meals, a number of oil bearing plants or seeds are grown for vegetable oils, for human food and for paints and other industrial purposes. In processing these seeds, protein rich products of great value as livestock feeds are obtained. The byproducts left after extraction of oil from oil seeds crude protein varies between 30 to 45%. 30 to 45%, and it is usually a digestibility of 75 to 95%. They may provide good amount of vitamin B complex, but poor source of carotene and vitamin A. Proteins of oilseed cakes have a low glutamic acid, cysteine and methionine, but usually low lysine content. They are usually rich in phosphorus. The example of oilseed cakes or oilseed meals: groundnut cake, cottonseed cake and soybean cake. So first is the oilseed meals or oilseed cakes. It includes all the oilseed cakes. Second is the pulse chuni. Pulse are the seeds. Second pulse are the seeds of leguminous plants. They are primary for human consumption, but they may be fed to livestock at a time when it is available at a reasonable prices. Pulse chuni includes the crushed seeds of legume plants obtained during preparation of dal. They are good source of protein. The protein content is about 10 to 14%. Protein content is about 10 to 14%. They are rich in phosphorus but poor in calcium contents. They are also good in energy. The example of pulse chuni are example is the moong chuni, udit chuni. So they are the examples of the pulse chuni. And the third is the brewers grains and yeast. So the brewers grains, so it is prepared from barley after soaking and germination. It contains about 18% crude protein and 15% crude fibers. And brewers yeast. This brewers yeast, it is also prepared from barley. It contains about 42% crude protein. It is good source of vitamin B complex. It is rich in phosphorus but poor in calcium. It is more digestible. So they are the brewers grains and yeast. So they are the plant origin proteins, protein concentrates. And second is the animal origin concentrates. Animal origin protein concentrates. Protein supplements derived from animals' tissues. They contain good quality proteins as they have better essential amino acids compositions. The crude protein contains is between 40 to 80%. So the protein contains what is the 40 to 80%. They are good source of vitamin, B complex and minerals. Animal proteins are used mainly for in poultry, pigs and pre-ruminant animals. However, their use in adult ruminant is rare. Example of the animal origin protein concentrates is the meat meal, fish meal, blood meals and feathers meals. And these are the protein rich concentrates. So now we compare the concentrates is divided into two on the basis of the crude protein contains the energy rich concentrates and second protein rich concentrates. Energy rich concentrates contains the less than 18% crude proteins and protein rich concentrates containing more than 18% proteins. So the protein rich concentrates is again divided into two. There is the plant origin on the basis of their sources, plant origin protein concentrates and animal origin protein concentrates. So in the plant origin protein concentrates, this includes the oilseed meals, pulse tuning, brewers grains and yeast. And in the animal origin protein concentrates, it includes the meat meal, fish meal and the feather meal, blood meals. So the protein quality of the animal origin protein is better than the plant origin protein concentrates. Thank you. Next lecture the second study of the first is the refuges and second is the concentrates. Okay, thank you.